and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. Here's another episode of Fatty Flips Again. You know, I had to lose over 60 pounds to fit back on roller coasters again, and I've done it. But my goal is to lose 100 pounds or more before I turn 50 years old on February 26, 2021. I'm over 63% there right now in 23 weeks, so I'm way ahead of schedule. I'm not even to the 50% of the year mark yet. It's close, but I'll probably be 70 pounds or something by then, which will be great. But please watch my weekly weight loss results videos. So, I need all the support I can get. So please hit the like button on this video and click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. All right, so let's go on some thrill rides at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. In this episode, we're gonna go on Cobra's Curse, which is a family style coaster, which is probably scary for most kids, I'd imagine. But this has an elevator lift that takes you up to the track and then starts you out. Spins around, it's pretty crazy, but it's very fun. I barely fit on this one. It was, I had to move seats, but amazingly, I did it. So next time it'll be much easier, hopefully. So let's go on Cobra's Curse. All right, here we go on Cobra's Curse. Huh? We're good? Or you can push it.
Okay, cross the place, sit up and try to pull down a little further. So we're going to have you switch seats, alright?
Okay.
The left side has a little bit more space.
Okay, do it.
Arms up, guys. Now we're swimming out. Arms up, sir. You want to try to readjust before it's up, just try and cross your legs, sit up a little bit straight.
Oh.
You alright? If you could hold it down just like that.
We're good?
When you're good. You're good. Just
Oh, I'm good.
the reason you had to hold it down, but because you were doing it so much, it stayed. So.
Oh, okay, we're cool. Thank you. Yep. All right, so I barely fit on Cobra's Curse. Had to switch seats.
The darkness awakens, my power grows.
Who'd have thought that? What we're in. This wishy-washy wonky coaster.
There's no escape from the Cobra's curse.
Oh no! Yeah! Turning sideways. Going backwards. No, we're going backwards. Two!
You are mine. The Cobra's curse is upon you.
Get in, sir. almost lost my mask a couple times.
Kept going in the
You were too, though? That was excellent. Yeah, I'm still backwards on you guys. Now I just finally turned around. I think I got some bonus spins compared to the other car. Cobra's curse. Almost got cursed on it. Barely fit. I've been on here before when I couldn't fit on Cheetah Hunt, so I don't know. We did it though. Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching another episode of Get Fit by 50's Fatty Flips Again. That's me, soon to not be fatty. But be sure to check out all my other POV thrill ride videos too. So have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please, please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.